Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This video has been a long awaited video. Right now I'm at my dentist and tomorrow is my birthday, but today I finally is finishing my veneer work. I'm just doing an intro. My veneer work. So many of you have complimented me on the uppers that was done. A lot of you did notice the difference, especially in the color and stuff like that, but also you was very respectful about it, and I'm so appreciative of that. But I don't want to take up too much of this intro. I will show y'all some before and afters, but they're ready for me, so let me get this going. Hey, I'm back. I thought they was ready to start, but I just had to do the preliminary, paperwork and stuff. So yeah, I have footage of this whole entire journey that I will be sharing with you all. This is just the skip to the good part video, which this has been happening for about almost 2 years, about a year and some change in the making. You should be seeing before and after of the uppers, that right there. That was the first before and after that I done, and they were able to address all of my dental needs, because glam dolls, this was very expensive, which I will get into during the next video. But this video is just, like I said, to skip to the good part of the completion of almost 2 years of work that was being done. And within the 2 years, I had extractions, meaning they removed teeth. Then I had bone grafting done, meaning because I had a lot of bone loss in my jaw, so I had to grow bone back into my jaw. Like I said in another video, we're going to go over all that in depth. I had to do the crowns. It's just so much that had to get done, and because of New York state laws, you can't get everything done at one time. And then even when whatever you do get done, they can only work on one side of the mouth at a time, and then in between that time they have to allot for healing time. And the bone grafting by itself, that was about 3 or 4 month wait for that to completely heal so the bone can be solid again. So I'm saying all this to say to you, when it comes to dental work here in the States, here in the US, they're very strict on what can and cannot be done and how much can be done at one time. Had I went out of the country, like to Colombia or something like that, Turkey, as a matter of fact, I did check out Dental Center Turkey, whatever, and they were willing to do it, and they said I would probably have to stay there for about a month. Are you ready?
I'm gonna put the topical.
Oh, she's putting the topical. Cut away. So now I'm completely numb. Oh my gosh, I am so numb right now. I'm so nervous. I have my stress ball. Oh my gosh. I've been sharing some of this along the way on Instagram, so a lot of you who've been a part with me on this journey, seen the clips along on Instagram. I've been sharing along the way of the process, and super excited. Rev, aka the house, Rev, he's on his way with my regular camera so we can get better clips. Instead of me holding this camera trying to get clips for you all, because I'm not going to be able to do it. The doctor, he said him and I are going to do some TikToks, and I was like, look at my hair. But that's okay. I'm just happy that this is getting fixed. I already did this. This is getting fixed.
Okay, time to take a look. Don't look at it.
All right, you said I'm gonna look at it.
I want to see your reaction.
I see my hat behind you.
I get it. No, not yet.
First impressions?
Day one. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so y'all see what I look like. I'm gonna look. Oh my god! Oh my god! The symmetry. Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
What a difference. What do you think?
Yeah.
Nice birthday present.
I'm going to show you at some point of time how you came to do it. So that's how you compare where you started and where you finish.
This has been such a journey.
I'm going to take this off. I'm gonna take this off.
I have to take it out and lower.
I would take the upper check because if it's broken, these things are, I don't
So
know,
good.
the upper as well. That's your
This isn't worth every dollar. And it's only temporary.
It's gonna happen.
That's right. It's only temporary, but that's so beautiful. It's good stuff.
This has been a long time.
I know you waited a long time. I waited a long time for this. I couldn't see you earlier. I saw you earlier. It was done this more efficiently, but I'm happy I saw you and not to give somebody else. Something that I think I should say. Makes more sense.
The consciousness, the mean comments that I already knew was what it was, but because when you put yourself on a public platform, it only makes it worse.
There's
Right.
always going to be 10 guys who tell you bad things. Just ignore them. There's hundreds of people, thousands of people who want to do things. And there's going to be 10 people or 20 people who write nasty comments. Ignore them. I get the same thing to my TikTok and my Instagram too. You know, that's us. Oh, your hair, look at your hair. This guy needs a hair. Whatever, man. I'm not here for, I'm not posting for a hair advertisement. I am a dentist that trying to fix teeth. Okay?
I will tell you all this. When you're born, you get two chances. The first ones, your children's teeth, they fall out. But when them permanent ones come in, you have a chance to take care of them. I was only introduced to dental if there was a problem. But don't go when there's a problem. You go because you just want to maintain. Oh my gosh. This looks so good. I'm gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna wrap this up. Dr. Cohen, thank you.
Absolutely.
You're amazing.
I'm not done yet. Let's thank you and finish with the photo.
Oh yes, it's just a
Yeah, it's
temporary.
temporary. It's only temporary. Okay, but it looks still very nice though.
But look how good the temporary look. I can only imagine. No, I can see. I ain't even gotta imagine.
Don't forget this.
Oh my gosh.
No, I'll put it in the
And tomorrow's my birthday.
another 12.
Dolls.
For now, that's
I'm gonna come back and do a more detailed video for you all. This was just a skip to the good part. I promise you all, I got almost a year and a half worth of footage that I'll be incorporating and sharing and explaining from start to finish. Information about aesthetics. So all this will be down in the description box below. But like I said, the next video I'm gonna go more in depth with you all. I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this.
You and I should do a video from the beginning to the end.
Yeah.
Video later.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna do a video from the beginning to the end.
Well, yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay. I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Later, dolls.